Cooking equals stress-free bliss? Let's dive in. Cooking for relaxation. Let's make it happen cooking. Today, we're talking about how cooking can be the perfect way to relieve stress and unwind. But cooking is not only about making food. I know it might sound surprising. It's a therapeutic activity that helps you relax and clear your mind. Stick around to find out why and how you can turn cooking into a peaceful and enjoyable experience. First, let's talk about why cooking is so relaxing. For many people, cooking is like a mini escape from their daily stress. Emails or social media, and just be present. When you're in the kitchen, you focus on one thing, preparing food. You get to shut out the distractions of work. That focus brings you into a state of mindfulness, which is one of the best ways to reduce stress. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment. And cooking forces you to do just that. You're chopping vegetables, stirring a sauce, and even smelling the food. These small tasks keep your mind busy and focus on the here and now, which helps clear your mind from anxious thoughts. For example, when you chop an onion, focus on the texture, the sound of the knife against the cutting board, and the smell of the onion. Each small task, if done with focus, can be quite calming and meditative. Another reason cooking is so great for relieving stress is that it allows you to be creative. You can experiment with new ingredients, spices, and flavors. Whether you're following a recipe or improvising, cooking is a form of self-expression. You get to make something entirely your own. And it's very satisfying when you see it come together. Cooking is also a treat for your senses. The sounds, smells, sights, and even the tastes of cooking are so stimulating. The sound of food sizzling in the pan, the vibrant colors of fresh veggies. The scent of herbs and spices, all of these sensory experiences can lift your mood and make cooking feel like a fun adventure. Cooking can also become a relaxing ritual. Having a routine or following a recipe step by step. Can bring structure and calm to your day.